Live in Times Square, this is GMA.
With day 2 of our ultimate chocolate chip cookie week right here on GMA. And this morning we are here with baker and cookbook author Jocelyn Delk Adams from Grandbaby Cakes.
Oh, yes.
We are so happy. She's going to make us, you ready for this, the chewiest, sweet, and salty chocolate chip cookies ever. You are speaking my language.
Same here, sister.
Salt, sweet combo. Break it down for me. This is my world.
Doesn't love salty and sweet? Just the flavor combination. You get all of that intensity, the chewy. You're like, yes, preach, right? Preach. These cookies are fantastic. They marry both. So right here we've got some butter and we've got some sugar and we've been creaming that. Of course, that's a great base for cookies. And this is my secret ingredient for chewy cookies. I start to add in egg yolks. Yeah, so 2 egg yolks is actually going to make these super moist.
That's how you get them chewy.
Yeah, nice and chewy. 2 egg yolks. Yeah, 2 egg yolks, and that goes in. And so here, and then of course a little vanilla. Hello, right? So that's going to mix up, and now we're going to get to our dry ingredients.
Wet ingredients, dry ingredients.
Yeah,
so they told us we had to sort of hold up, but Michael, you need to pass me one of those down there because I don't know.
Yeah, I know. You're like, I'm going to have that, right?
You're supposed to be down here.
You're like, wait a minute. What happens here?
The time to eat.
It's always the time to eat, Michael. So I have another secret ingredient here. And so with the dry ingredients, I add in cornstarch,
that
okay?
makes it chewy too.
Yes, it does. It actually magically changes the entire texture of the cookie. Do this at home, okay?
My goodness.
So
Okay.
here we've got our cookie dough. I chill this so it won't spread when you bake these. And then these are our main ingredients. Of course, I've got chocolate chips, and then I've got butterscotch chips, right?
But what's the
and that's like
salty
the best.
part?
Pretzels.
Pretzel.
Yes. So you can chop these fine, or you can add them a little chunkier if you like that texture. They're delicious. So then here we're gonna scoop them out. You just wanna use like a tablespoon, and you just add it right to your cookie sheet.
Bam.
Bam. And then Michael, I'm gonna have you put down some of the pretzels. Just press it right into the center.
Press the pretzel and
Press the pretzel.
Press the pretzel.
Love that. And then a little sprinkle of salt. Ha-ha, right? Ta-da. And then we bake these babies.
And TV magic.
TV
voila.
magic, voila, right? How about that, right?
But you've got other dry ingredients.
Yes. So if you want to play around, like,
allergy, though.
yeah, you guys
Don't do
pass
it.
the cookies, right? But if you want to play around with this at home, be a rebel, right? Do your own thing. You can add popcorn, you can add potato chips, and my personal favorite, bacon.
Bacon.
Because bacon is delicious in everything. Hello,
This is
right?
so good.
You are making us so
Love 'em.
happy, Jocelyn.
Thank
you for being